In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive Sync with Microsoft Teams and SharePoint files. Keeping your important documents accessible across different platforms is essential in modern collaboration, and syncing Microsoft OneDrive with Microsoft Teams and SharePoint makes this process seamless. It ensures that your files stay updated, organized, and available on all your connected devices without needing manual transfers. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in to your account. Once inside, navigate to your team channel, which serves as the main space where collaboration and file sharing take place. This is where team members communicate, share updates, and manage shared resources. Inside your selected channel, go to the Files section. You may notice that there is no visible sync option directly available here. However, this is completely normal and indicates that Microsoft Teams is already integrated with OneDrive in the background. This built-in connection automatically handles file synchronization, reducing the need for manual setup. To better understand how this works, create a new post within the channel. In the message area, select the Attach option, usually represented by a paperclip icon. This allows you to upload a file directly from your computer. Choose the file you want to share, and optionally include a message to provide context for your team members. Once everything is ready, publish the post. After posting, return to the Files section of the channel. Here you will see the file you just uploaded, confirming that it has been successfully shared within the team environment. Next, open Microsoft OneDrive either through your desktop application or web browser. Navigate to the section labeled My Files. Within this area, you will find a folder named Microsoft Teams Chat Files. This folder is automatically created and maintained by OneDrive to store all files shared through Microsoft Teams. When you open this folder, you will notice the file you recently uploaded in Teams is already present. This demonstrates the automatic syncing process, where OneDrive continuously updates shared content from Teams without requiring additional user actions. For SharePoint integration, the process follows a slightly different path, but remains equally straightforward. Begin by signing into your organization's SharePoint site. Once inside, navigate to the document library where your shared files are stored. Locate the file you want to sync, then select the Options menu next to it. From the available actions, choose the option to open the file location. This action triggers OneDrive to automatically begin syncing the SharePoint library with your local system, making the files available directly through your device's OneDrive folder. After synchronization is complete, your SharePoint files will appear alongside your other synced content, ensuring consistent access across all devices connected to your account. And that's it. You now understand how OneDrive works with Microsoft Teams and SharePoint to keep your files synchronized effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.